friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts. So let's jump in. So for our intro guitar one, we just play the A power chord, hold for 1 and then we're just palm muting for 2 bars on the 8th note. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then just play a C add 9. Then we're going to do a G over B, so 2nd fret on the A, open D and G, 3rd fret B and E. Then just go to a C chord, but we're going to add the 3rd fret on the E string. Then we're just palm muting the open E 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Play the open A and D and hammer onto the 2nd fret. 2 palm mutes on the open E. Then go 3rd fret on the E string, 2 palm mutes, and then just play the top part of a G chord. Then palm mute the open A string 2 times and play an A power chord. And we're just repeating that last part 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're starting on the E string 10, slide to 12. Then we B string 10th fret, bend, release, pull off the 8. Play the 10 again, and then to the G string 9 2 times. And then we're just playing 9 on the G, 8 on the B, 10 on the E. And we do that 2 times. And they're all the parts to our intro. So for our first verse, we're playing the open E string and we're just doing an E minor chord. Then play 2nd fret on the D and the A as an upstroke. Back to the open E, palm mute, and then open A and D, hammer onto the 2nd fret, the same as the intro. 2 palm mutes on the open E. Then we're playing a G chord, but we're just going to play 3rd fret on the E, 2nd on the A, and then an up on the open G and D. Then we're doing this A sus 4. We're going to start 3rd fret on the B, pull off the 2nd fret, and then play 2nd fret on the G and the D as an upstroke. Then we repeat that all again. The G. This time for the A, we're just playing the open A string, 2nd fret on the D, and then 2nd fret D and G as an upstroke. Then we repeat that all again. Now this last one, we're going to do the A the same as we did before. And then we're going to jump to the 2nd fret on the A string to get us ready for the chorus. And that's the first verse C. So our chorus is nice and easy. We're just playing the C chord, 2 mutes, to the D chord, the same, 2 mutes, C again, 2 mutes. Now for this D, we're going to play the D, a D sus 2, and then just play a D power chord. So we're just playing down to the B string, including the B. Back to the C, 2 palm mutes, to the D. Then we're doing our intro fill again, our C add 9, G over B, and our C with the high G. And that's our first chorus C. Then for our post-chorus, guitar 1 is similar to our verse, the start stays the same. To the G, and the A, open A string, second fret on the D, and then just our up on the G and the D second fret. And do that 2 times there, and then we have guitar 2. So guitar 2 is going to be nearly the same as the intro, except we don't slide from 10 to 12, just start on the 12E. Then we're doing a bend on 10B, bend, release, pull off the 8, 10, and then our 9s again on the G. Now to finish this off, we're going to play the E string, 3rd fret, pull off to the open, same on the B. Then on the G, do 2nd fret, pull off to open, same on the D, same on the A, and then just play an open E. And they're all the parts to our post-chorus. Then for our second verse, it's similar to the first verse, it's just some small changes. We still have the E minor, open, our hammer on. This time just play the 2nd fret on the A and the D again, to our G the same, to our A sus4 the same. Do the first one again. This time do the palm mutes on the open E, to our G the same, to our A the same as the first verse. So that first part I'll do it slowly. And we repeat that all again. Our E minor again. Our G to our A. Now this time just play the 2nd fret on the D again before we go back to the riff again. 2 palm mutes on the open E, to our G the same, our A sus4 the same, back to our E minor the same. Palm mutes 2 times, to our G stays the same, our A stays the same, and then play the 2nd fret on the A string again to get us ready for the chorus. And the second guitar is just playing our 9G, 8B, 10, E again. 2 times there. And that's our second verse. From there we go back to the chorus, and that stays exactly the same. So for our bridge, we're starting the same as our verse, our E minor again, with our hammer on, 2 palm mutes to our G, to our A. Then we play the open G string and then a D chord. Then play 3rd fret on the E, pull off to the 2nd fret, and 3rd fret B, 2nd G, 3rd fret on the B. So go to a C, add 9, 3rd fret A, 2nd fret on the D, and then play open G, 3rd fret B, open E. Then we're just going to a G chord, 3rd fret E, 2nd fret on the A, and then the G, E, and B on our G chord, and we do that section 3 times. To our C, add 9, to our G. 3 times there, and then we're just going back to our A build up again. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and back to our C at 9, G over B, to our C again. Then we're going back to our verse riff again, to the G, to the A, and we do that 2 times, and that's guitar 1, so let's have a look at guitar 2. So for the start of the bridge, we're bending the 5th fret on the B string, then just play the 5th fret, 3rd fret, and then do 3rd fret, slide to 5th fret. And then the outro part of the bridge, we're just going back to that intro solo again with the 10 slide to 12. So that stays the same there. And they're all the parts to the bridge. So our third verse is similar to our second verse. Some of the fills change here. So we still have the E minor the same. Palm muting G to our A sus4. Back to the E minor again. To the G. To the A. Now right before we go back to the E minor again, just play the 2nd fret on the D again. So E minor. Now here we're not palm muting, we're going to play the open E and B string. To the G the same. To our A sus4. So that one there. Back to our E again. Palm muting to our G. To our A. And play 2nd fret on the D string again, back to our E minor. This time just hold that 2nd fret and then go to the G the same. Our A sus4 the same. And then we're finishing on the E minor. Palm mutes to the G, to the A, and then our 2nd fret on the A string. And that's our third verse for there. From there we just go back to the chorus and that stays the same again. Then our outro is similar to our verses. Again, we have the E minor, palm mute to the G, to our A sus4, back to the E minor, palm mutes to our G, to our A. Repeat that all again. E minor, to the G, A sus4, back to the E minor, the G. Now here we're going to take 2nd fret on the G string, bend, release, pull off to the open, and just play 2nd fret again, and then we're just repeating the first line of that outro. To the G, to the A sus4, back to the E minor, and the A, and we keep doing that to the end. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2 we're just playing our 9G, 8B, 10E again, and we're doing that 3 times. And then we have a couple of little fills to end off. We're going to bend the 10th fret on the B, release, pull off the 8, and then just bend the 10 again. And then we have our intro fill again. By then we've pretty much faded out and they're all the parts. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed Stop Dragging My Heart Around, guitar lesson by Stevie Nicks and Tom Petty. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.